Hello, in this video I'll show you how to replace the left engine mount of the transmission mount on Volkswagen Polo 1.2 petrol. The transmission mount is located just underneath the air filter housing and the battery housing, so in order to get access to it, first we need to remove the air filter housing and the battery housing. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Once I remove the battery housing, I'll have access to the transmission mount. Next, I'm going to remove the left engine mount of the transmission mount. It's held by a couple of bolts. You can see the 3 bolts on top and 2 bolts on the side. Before removing this transmission mount, first we need to hold the engine. This is what I'm holding the engine with. And you can see where I caught the engine, and now I'm going to turn it so that it becomes tight, and then I'm going to start removing the engine mount. Once the chain becomes very tight, that means it's holding the engine mount, and next I'm going to remove the 3 top bolts for the engine mount. That's the 3 bolts removed. Next I'm going to remove 2 other bolts holding the engine mount on the side. This is one of the bolts and the other bolt is on this side. To remove those 2 bolts, first I need to lower the engine, and it will make enough space to put my socket in there and remove those 2 bolts. You can see how I'm lowering the engine and the transmission. Lower it as much as needed to get access to those bolts. And now I'm going to remove the bolts. First I'm going to use my ratchet to loosen them, and then I'm going to use my electric ratchet to remove them completely. That's the two bolts removed. Now I'm going to take out the engine mount of the transmission mount. We just need to lift it up, and that's the engine mount out. Next I'm going to put the engine mount of the transmission mount back on the car. I'm going to put it in its place, and first I will put on the two side bolts. I'm going to tighten the two side bolts, and then I'm going to bring up the engine and the transmission, and then I'll put on the three other bolts. Now that the transmission is in place, I can put on the three bolts and tighten them. And that's how you replace the engine mount. Next I'm going to put on the battery housing and the air filter housing and assemble everything in the reverse order. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.